guys, this is Fun Time Show, and this is a fantasy show with fairies. Well, once upon a time, there was a kid that playing with her dolls, and there was a paper flying on her dollhouse.
What's this? Please read this. Urgent. Please read this. Urgent. Dear, help me. I am trapped in a storage room. Please find me and bring the bubble blower gun. Please hurry so I could go to the secret door. Please find me. I need your help and bring the bubble blower gun. What's this other paper for? Dude, this. So this is what the bubble blower gun looks like. That's the storage room. So I think that's the fairy. Why does she have no wings in the drawing? Maybe she's in a hurry. Maybe I could find the bubble blower gun. Let's go. Where can I find the bubble blower gun? Where is the bubble blower? Anyway. I know. The bubble blower gun looks like this. But what's color anyway? The fairy never told me. What is... I think it's a fairy. Yeah, I think it's a fairy because it says secret door and fairies go to secret doors. Fairy never told me that. What color it is. I know. I'll find it. Where is the bubble blower gun anyway? Is this a bubble blower gun? It doesn't look like the picture. And it shoots bubbles. Maybe it shoots air. Maybe it shoots air. Where can I find it anyway? Wait, what's this? Whoa! The bubble blower gun! So where can I find the fairy? It says here, it's in a storage room. Maybe in my house there's a storage room. Maybe I'll go to the storage room. Maybe this is the storage room. Maybe this is where the fairy got trapped. But first, I have to get ready. Do this. What should I do with this? Where's the controller anyway? Maybe I should think more. The fairy's drawings is so hard. That's why they call them fairies. Oh well. But first I have to find something. Seriously, it's this. Maybe I'll tell my dad. I forgot to take the little rubber gun. Oh, so that's what it is. This white thing. So I better do this. Whoa, it's the fairy! Thank you for saving me. You're welcome, fairy. Where's the secret room anyway? Come on, follow me. Let's go.